Sarah is a self taught affiliate marketer who transformed her life, earning $50,000 in 30 days through determination and strategy. Sarah's approach combines several strategies: high ticket affiliate programs, content marketing, AI tools, paid traffic, and email marketing. Sarah targeted high demand niches like personal finance and investing, online business tools, and health and fitness programs. She chose programs with high commissions, recurring revenue, reliable support, and proven conversion rates using platforms like ClickBank. Sarah relied on tools for content creation, analytics, email marketing, and ad management. Her main traffic sources included organic traffic through blogging, paid traffic using ads, and referral traffic from influencer collaborations. Sarah faced challenges like building traffic and high competition, but overcame them with SEO, unique insights, and managed ad spend. Yes, with focus, the right strategies, and consistent effort, beginners can replicate Sarah's success using her beginner-friendly method. You can start with minimal investment, focusing on organic methods, but $500 to $1,000 can accelerate success through ads and premium tools. The key takeaway is that consistency and strategic thinking are crucial for success in affiliate marketing.